In 2013, Typhoon Haiyan, one of the most destructive cyclones in history, devastated my home country, the Philippines. Haiyan destroyed everything in its path and triggered waves up to 25 feet high, known as storm surges. Many families chose to stay because, well, they didn't understand what a storm surge was, and within minutes, over 6,000 lives were lost. Various agencies call this tragedy a communication failure. Although the warnings were scientifically accurate, they weren't communicated clearly to the public. Now, moments like this remind us how critical communication is, especially when lives are at stake. And in today's world of misinformation, clear and accessible messaging is more crucial than ever. Science has a problem. It's a communication problem. Scientists often receive little to no training on how to explain the research to non-experts, and this communication gap can limit public understanding and the genuine appreciation of scientific work. Now, as part of my case study, I conducted an 8-week workshop using applied theatrical improvisation, more commonly known as improv, to help STEM graduate students connect with their audience, craft engaging stories, and build confidence in presenting. I chose improv as a learning tool because of its interactive nature that encourages participants to be more open and adaptable through improv activities like role-playing. To explore the workshop's impact, I analyzed data from surveys, weekly journals, and in-depth interviews. Now, the results of my study show that improvisational training notably enhances communication skills. Participants improved their confidence and their ability to connect with diverse audiences through storytelling and emotional engagement. They also shifted from a research-centered approach to a human-centered focus, prioritizing audience empathy and simplifying complex ideas. Now, this interdisciplinary approach by integrating theater helps science become more relatable and equips future scientists with essential tools to improve public understanding. The tragedy of Typhoon Haiyan demonstrated how crucial clear communication is, especially when scientific accuracy alone isn't enough. Science needs to be more accessible, inclusive, and culturally relevant for the public to appreciate more. And finally, I hope to see science communication training become a core component of STEM education and not just an afterthought. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much.